As you sit here, you can close your eyes for a moment and what is actually going on in you. That you're aware of the sense of presence through the body, the functioning of the senses. If you hold on to no identity, resist the tendency to define yourself. To define is to, in some way, to confine, to limit. And it is not necessary. What actually is your experience? See? If you don't move into or invite imagination, leave that aside. What actually is your experience now? You can hear my voice. You can perceive maybe a very subtle hum of the manifest world. Just a vibration of being, maybe has a kind of hissing sound or something. But you're not holding anything, you see. So in a sense, sensations can just move through you, if you want to use this term. There's no need to imagine or to create. There's hearing. You may say, if you put your attention to it, you can feel the movement of your breath or something. In fact, we can not even say your breath, just the breathing. You're aware of a sense of silence. To whom are these functions reporting? To anything solid? Are you material or immaterial? Don't imagine. Feel and be. Sort of intelligence. That even the functioning of perceiving is perceived. This is the marvelousness of consciousness. And there's no effort. Have you noticed? There's no need for believing at this moment. Just isness. To believe in something now, it's like a bit of work, like an effort. Not required. Simply you're here, isn't it? But as what are you here? The body is here and the body is perceived also. But the perceiving of the body Is there a perceiver as an entity or as an object? See for yourself. Don't go to the mind or to some learning. You are naturally aware that you are. But more than this, you cannot say. Except that you're perceiving. Is anything lacking fundamentally for you? Is there something to start or to stop? And again, there is no need to wait. There's nothing to wait for or to expect. Pay attention to just what is. What is. What is it that is? Don't go to the mind. It is simply a kind of cleaning of consciousness, you can say. The functioning of the senses do not interfere with perception. In fact, they are meaningless without perception. Whatever arises, let it arise. Don't fight. Simply don't combine yourself with anything for now, or create any relationship with anything that you see, so that you can experience your being unassociated. Let this be confirmed in you, you see. So it washes away this tendency of neediness. This guidance is for you.
Oh